Hi guys, this is Judy and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna unbox this Tilta float. And join me as I set up this and hopefully everything will work perfectly fine. So join me, let's go! This is how when you open the case. I quite like it because I'm a bit OCD. I quite like a lot of organization like this. And the first thing you're gonna see is a strap, warranty card, which is in Chinese. Okay, what we've got here. So this is a phone mounting bracket. And this is the V-mount battery plate. And these are two collision avoidance brackets that you need to put on the back of your vest. Next, this is a monitor bracket. And this is a pouch with a lot of small accessories. I'm seeing here screws and alloy wrench. Stiffener and limo cable. This one is another limo cable. So they call it B-tap to 2-pin. Okay, next, this is, oops, I'm sorry, it's too windy here. Okay, so let's open it. This is a power supply base plate for DJI RS2. And this one is a baby pin docking adapter. So this is the one you're gonna use to put in a studio light so that you can balance it first before putting it in your vest. And another strap. Looks like this is a bit bigger than the first one. Oops. We just put it for now here. And this one is the main thing in this box. This is the Tilta float system arm. And this is a cross NATO rail post mount. And this is the Tilta float system post. I will just walk around to see if I still miss something. Okay, I still see one. This is a part of the vest where you're gonna hang the system arm. I'm gonna walk around again. And of course, this is the Tilta Float System Support Vest. My first impression in this vest is good. So the material used here is good and it's well padded. Now we just need to close this and we start assembling. I bought separately this Nano 1 V-mount battery from FX Lion. This is the one I'm gonna use. The first thing we need to prepare is a mini tripod, so I will get that to my DJI Ronin set. This one. And prepare the two batteries and V-mount battery plate. We just need to attach the batteries here and also on the other side. And there's a quick release button here if you want to remove it. And the mini tripod in the middle. Okay, it's looking good. So next, get the cross NATO rail mount. Just slide in here and make sure it's in unlock mode. And I'm trying to put in middle as much as possible and lock it. And now we put the system float and make sure to identify the bottom and the top bit to make sure the Tilta is readable, and for sure this is the bottom bit. And we unlock it and slide it in here. And I'm trying to make it centered as much as possible. So this is how it looks like. Looks centered to me. Now we're gonna put my Ronin RS2. We need to put the power supply base plate under here and make sure it's in unlock. And once in it, just make sure it's super lock. Next, we go to the handle. We will attach this system monitor bracket. We just need to slide it in here, and it's a bit tricky because we need to pass the curve area. And then once you pass it, then just lock it like this. And then next, we put the phone holder. We just need to loosen a bit the cold shoe and just slide in here and lock it. And this is where you're gonna put the controller, which I don't have right now because the supplier doesn't have it. For the sake of this video, I just put it here as a demonstration, but I will remove it later. Next, we're gonna remove this plate. To remove it, just press it here and slide it out. And we're gonna put this plate in the middle of this RS2 like this. In the accessory pouch, just look for the screw and the alloy wrench. I'm marking the plate to see where is the center of the gravity. And now attach the plate and make sure it's in the center. In putting the RS2 on top, make sure this limo connector female are aligned to each other like this, and make sure it's unlocked and just slide in. Oops, again slowly, it's a bit heavy. Okay. And make sure I put it in the center as much as possible. I think this is good. Okay, now let's power it up. In your accessory pouch, get the D-tap to 2-pin limo cable. This is how it looks like. Let's plug in the 2-pin limo cable here and the D-tap in here. My battery is different from the official Tilta flow tutorial, so I need to remove it. And this is where the D-tap pin is. And plug it in. And slide it back. The cable is bit on the way, so we just turn it around like this and plug it again. On your accessory pouch, just find for the stiffener. So this is how it looks like, and we just slide it in like this, screw it and tighten it with this alloy wrench. Next, get the limo cable and connect in front of the RS2 and to the post, just like that. Now we go to the vest and get the arm connector bracket and just slide in here. Make sure it's unlocked So you can put this in your left or in your right, depends which side you prefer. Your safety guide can pull this strap to guide you while filming. And this one is an extra support on your vest. In the middle where you put it, but the existing plate here you can use to put modular cameras, batteries, and accessories. For now, I'm gonna replace this with extra spine support. Just slide it in and lock it like this. And you can still adjust it up and down based on your preference. I will put a strap as recommended in Tilta official tutorial because I'm sure this will be heavy for me. So you just hook in here and here. Next, we gotta put the 2 collision avoidance bracket. So we just slide it in here and lock it. And another one, and this is the full setup of our Tilta vest. And now I will try to put the vest. This is quite sturdy vest and the foam is good. I'm just gonna put this strap, but this strap is a bit bigger for me, but let's try it still. So how do I look? Now I'm gonna put the system arm or spring they call it. I'm struggling how this arm works. All I know it should be horizontal, but I'm still working it out. Oh, why it's like this?
Oh no!
I tried now to hang the system post. I'm just too excited. I'm still hesitant to put my Sony A1 in here.
the craziest.
For now, I will just do it like this and take a break. See you on my next episode for balancing with Sony A1.
Thank you very much!
Subscribe now.